Okay, well, I'm excited. Today's the day we're going to pick up the Series 3. Yep, it's finished. Apparently it's looking pretty smick. So before we roll it out, let's go back and rehash what we've done over the last 3 weeks. Then we'll have a look at this beauty. Well, I just got a call from the auto body repair shop, and they're telling me that the V12 has been painted and they're almost ready to put it back together, and they're looking for the head lining. So I've got it all finished and covered, so I'm going to drop that down to them and we're going to have a look and see how they're going with that paint before they put it back together. So it looks pretty tough about that grille and bonnet on, doesn't it? But we need to fix up some paint work on it.
Well, why get the bulb for the bonnet to get the bonnet on?
See the difference? Can't have that. This side's just going to blow the store in as well. It's because paints today are different than paints before. This is satin beige, paint code AGA, but if you mix up a paint code AGA, it's not anywhere near the colour of this car. So. And they changed the tints over the years, and it is 30-something years old, so you can understand why. But I'm still getting excited. I've got a really lovely coming V12 Jaguar that I've done a bit of work on, and I know it very well. It's going to be my cruiser, can I tell you? I'm getting excited. Here's the sunroof and that front lowered panel under the grille. That's all painted and looking absolutely spectacular. Paint the bonnet, but it actually matches pretty well, so which is good. It saves me a few $100 not having that painted, because it was in pretty nice order. Probably been painted before sometime. Well, I've just had a call from the paint shop. The Series 3 is almost ready, but there's another issue with it. So we're just going to go down again and have a look what that issue is. So we're going to take Arnie the XJR down there, give it a run. That'll be fun. Haven't been it for a while. What's happened is Mark and Joe went to put the sunroof back together, and it wasn't lining up properly because this cable here is broken. Now that lines up with the cog there like that, and I'm guessing the reason that cable is broken is because of that fire we had at the back there, and it's unusually damaged the outer lining, and it was taped up before, and I don't know if you remember, but this sunroof wasn't lining up properly. It was down on one side, and the reason was that cable wasn't pulling it up when it was fully closed, which is okay, but we needed to get another cable. Discovered is you can't buy that outer cable separately. This one here, well, I can't buy one. So Jeff Sara has sent me the whole sunroof mechanism, because he say these don't come out easy, but they're only a couple of rivets there and a couple of screws. I think they can, but at least we've got this. We've got two cables that'll be functional, so they're going to pull the old one out of the car and either use this whole section or just the cables.
If I drop it down a little bit more, then just make it a little bit smoother.
So just move that again. So what happens?
Anyway.
Yeah.
I mean, it moves quite freely. That's the new rubber.
Was it easy to get the rubber on?
Yeah,
That's
fiddly,
the store.
but it got done.
We did the rust. I was
On here, this one.
yeah, this one here, and then we put those cage nuts in there. This is the
Yeah,
store.
new cage nuts in there
too.
that one as
yeah,
well.
because it was rusted out a bit.
Did you have to paint that whole door too? Or
Yeah.
just the well, not very well. Yeah,
It's not too bad.
no, the angles of that satin base are really nice on it. And it's one that's sitting really lovely in its position. I'm excited. Well, I'm excited. We're back down at Bayside Smash Repairs and we're going to put the windscreen back in the Series 3. Let's do it. I'm pretty excited. We've got the old girl back. I've been waiting for this day and she's going lovely. She drove lovely home. I've given it a little bit more detailing, but she'll come up really nice when she's finished. Still a stack of work to do on this old girl. More aesthetic stuff. How nice is that sunroof? Did a lovely job on that. Very, very happy. She's never going to be concourse. And a lot of you punters have probably said, well, why didn't you paint the whole car? But it cost half the price of what he quoted to do the whole car, so that was more of my affordable money. Yeah, nice and straight. You know, guys, if you like this video, just give it a thumbs up. You just could do that right now. And if you haven't subscribed, please do that. And don't forget to tell your mates. We'll catch you next one. Cheers.